Welcome, sweet soul. This is not just a meditation. This is a return. A return to the sacred womb space within you, the place where all transformation begins. A descent into the dark, fertile void that cradles your unbecoming and births your next evolution. This space is not passive. It is alive. It is where your soul whispers and your nervous system softens. It is where you are invited to stop rushing and start remembering. Begin by finding a space where your body can rest, a place where your belly can rise, your hips can widen, and your heart can soften. Close your eyes. Place one hand over your lower belly, one over your heart, and breathe. Inhale through the nose, a full, nourishing breath into your belly. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale out the mouth like a sigh, a moan, a release. Again, inhale into your womb. Hold. Exhale everything that doesn't need to be here. Let your breath flow like ocean waves. You don't need to force, just receive. Feel your body dropping in, heavier, softer, deeper. Repeat to yourself, I descend into my becoming. I trust what is rising within me. I am safe in the dark. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast cavern. The entrance is warm, glowing, pulsing with golden red light. This is your womb space, not just your physical body, but the energetic temple of creation within you. You step inside. The air is thick with rose, myrrh, earth. Every step forward is a step inward. As you walk, the outer world fades. You are no longer someone's parent, partner, role, or identity. You are just you, raw, sacred, in transition. You arrive at the center of the womb. Here, a soft, glowing pool awaits you. This is the pool of becoming. You remove the weight you've been carrying. Shame, timelines, urgency, fear. You step in. The water wraps around you like memory, like time before time, like you've done this before. You submerge, and as you float, you begin to feel it. All that you are not is dissolving. All that you are is emerging. You let yourself drift. Let the womb hold you. You don't have to know who you're becoming. You just have to be willing to allow it. Now feel your body inside this space. Notice where there is tension. Breathe into it. Wiggle your fingers. Circle your wrists. Rock your hips gently side to side. Let the sound move through you. Moans, sighs, hums. Let your voice crack open the places that are ready to be felt. Repeat, I do not need to rise quickly. This stillness is sacred. My womb is wise. You may see flashes of visions, versions of you, timelines, dreams. Welcome them without clinging. Let them move through you like waves. Place both hands over your belly. Feel the warmth whisper, you are safe now. Now a light begins to form above the pool. It grows brighter, golden, pearlescent. This is your future self, not far away, not unreachable, but encoded within you. They float down beside you. They place a hand over your heart and one over your womb, and they say, you are not late. You are not lost. You are in the womb of creation, and that is holy. For the next several moments, let them speak to you. Notice what they say, what they want you to remember. Be still, be open, and receive. Take a deep breath and let these words move through your cells. I am safe to be in between. I honor the season of becoming. I trust my inner wisdom. My womb is a portal of creation. I no longer rush my unfolding. Stillness is sacred. I soften into my power. I welcome transformation with grace. I am rooted in trust. I am becoming more of who I truly am. Breathing deeply, begin to rise slowly. You step out of the pool. Your body is different now. Not fixed, not finished, but freed. You wrap yourself in a robe of soft light. You walk back through the cavern, not back into the world you left, but into a new one that's ready to meet the new you. Bring your hands to your heart, to your womb, and breathe. I am the womb of my own becoming. Let this be your integration, not an ending, but a beginning. Namaste.